Hey guys, I'm Jasmine, or at Lovejaycakes. I'll be doing a takeover today, so we're going to be doing a look. We're going to do step by step, things like that. So if you guys do like those, make sure you follow me for more of that, and also make sure you're following OMGLO Cosmetics. So this is the look we're going to be doing today, so make sure you're still watching so you guys can see how I achieve this look. So before we actually get into doing the look, I'm going to use two different sprays. I have Incredible, which is a bestseller, great for all skin tones, and I have Coffee right here, which is great for darker skin tones, or if you want to look like you have a tan, really great to use. So what I love about these sprays is that, one, they have travel size as well as full size, so you can take it anywhere. You can use this before your looks, during your looks, after your looks, but if you use it after your looks, your skin just like gives it such a nice glow, and I love it so much. One of my favorite things about this is that this is oil-free, alcohol-free, paraben-free, drug-free, but also it does contain lavender, chamomile, cucumber, and aloe vera, which are really great benefits for the skin. Shake it well. Let's try and do this. Just gonna kind of the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in vanilla, and using a dry beauty blender, and I'm just kind of applying that on so we can get our base ready for these bright colors. I'm using this from Time Los Angeles. This is just a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to use that to kind of diffuse that. And of course, like I said, just make sure to pack on any more color if you as necessary. On us, just tell me you want me, yeah. One day I'll be at the door waiting with me. Just gonna pack that on. Windshield wiper motions too. Applying this blue, just make sure you don't go too far, because we're going to go back in with Mint and Envy, and we're going to go and blend those two together seamlessly. Just give it that color.
Change things now, but this is
He's just trying to take my baby. Let you know, find someone you can call your own, 'cause tell me why it ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why. What a bop. This is what the eyes look like right now. I hope you guys are enjoying this takeover so far. I'm gonna go ahead and start my face. I probably will kind of rush through it. That way we can get to what really matters. Highlight stuff. Love you all the way down. And you're right where you like it. I promise you like it. Relaxing. Blend that, please. Why do people do this? What's good with you, back that ass? If you a fine mother, back that ass up. You ever just like finish your makeup and your nose gets runny and you're just like, because same. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Incredible. Oh my god, like I really need to go get more. But and it kind of just gives you more of a luminous glow. You see that? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Incredible. Oh my god, like I really need to go get more. But and it kind of just gives you more of a luminous glow. You see that? Okay, but I'm not done because I'm going to use coffee and eye stand because why not? Oof. This is for my chest. See? You guys just saw me put on coffee, which was a darker shade. Like I said, it does kind of give you like a little bit of a tan, but look at my chest. So I sprayed right here and then look, boom. Darker, not dark. Darker, not dark. Also use Glowed Up on the body. I'm just gonna spray it all over just so you can see how like nice and shimmery you get from it. Do you see all that? I just feel so great right now. And I love, again, that has essential oil. So I hope you guys enjoyed that takeover. Again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Lovejaycakes for more looks like this. Oh, you guys, I'm really not over how beautiful I look right now.